Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm here with a makeup tutorial. I haven't done one of these in a while. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a while, but today I'm coming with a very classy, a very ladylike, a very sophisticated look. I'm excited for it because that's something I've never do before, you understand? I may turn this video into a voiceover because I recently moved and my road is very busy. It's worse than the first road. It's very busy, and a school is next door. My ear one woman I teach me of a spell. I don't want her in my video. So if I listen over this and it's like very loud and I can't hear her, I'm gonna switch this into a voiceover. But if not, then I'm gonna continue talking. Okay guys, let's get straight into the video now. Alright, so it good. Melissa tweet it's on it's my AR, so that's good. So guys, the first thing that I'll be doing now is my eyes. Or my eyes is my R. I don't know. I'm gonna be using my Zulu by Juvia's palette. And I'm gonna be taking the first color I'm gonna be taking is the brown. I'm gonna just work that into the outer part and lightly blend it in because like so I already primed my eyelids with my Juvia's concealer in the shade 12, and I'm just gonna go in with the brown shade. I'm gonna start at the end, lightly pat it at the end, and then fade. Like when I get closer to the inner, I'm gonna dust it out so it looks fadish. Yeah, that may I try to say. I'm gonna put a tot, just a little tot of orange to blend out the top of the brown. I don't want the orange to be very pigmented, so I'm just gonna lightly blend it right above the brown. Now that's how I want it to look. I want the brown to be a bit deeper. I want it to be a bit deeper brown. So I'm just gonna check my other palettes just to see if I have a deeper brown. Yeah, this one look deeper. So I'm using my Bright and Feisty palette by Yardie Cosmetics, and I'm taking the brown. It's the only brown in the palette. I don't think you guys are gonna really see it good. It's this brown. It's called Grabalicious, and I'm gonna just blend that on top of this one just to deepen it a bit. So after I'm done with that guys, I'm going to take just a small amount of my concealer on a brush like that, and I'm going to just blend it right at this part. Wanna see what I do? Magic. Yes guys, so that's what I wanted to do, and I'm going to set that because I don't want it to crease. So I'm going to set that with my Warrior palette by Juvia's, which is the brown one. I'm going to set that with the light nude shade. On a nasty because my ring light very bright and I can't bother to turn it down. Then I forgot adjust it back for film. So yeah, just work with me guys. It's the only light nude. So I'm gonna just go quint it out because I really can't bother for do nothing else about it. Go back in with the brown color and just to blend the edge because I don't want it to look harsh. Just lightly tap over the edge to merge it. See? Then I want a light disco shade. I'm gonna take a glimmer, just any glitter shade, and just tap it where I just put the nude. See? And this is the look that we're going to be working with today. I'm going to do my other eye off camera and then I'm going to come right back. Okay guys, so my eyes are done and I added a liner, as you can see. And now I'm just going to add my lashes. Okay guys, so eyes are done, lashes done. Now I'm moving into foundation. My mirror is over here, so I'm going to be looking over there. And the foundation that I'm using is the NYX in the shade Sienna. So guys, I'm done with foundation and I'm going into my NARS concealer in the shade Amande. Eight hundred 5611111. There's a sale going on at Tools. Da, 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 da. Like when the ear to cut them, my girl. When the ear to cut them, my girl. So guys, now I'm going to use an all over face powder, and this is the Milani powder in the shade Ginger. I'm just gonna put this all over my face just to balance out my face. Now that I'm finished with those, I'm gonna just blush. And you guys know I use my blush from my Zulu palette, and I mix the orange with the pink to make my blush. Then we don't want to look like a hentai character, so press it in and blend it out like that. No guys, I'm just gonna set my face with my all-nighter Urban Decay setting spray, which I done. I'm not really set much cause I'm not gonna wait. All right. And I feel like I want to sink it in more, just spray it on the sponge and dab the sponge over my face. After that step, I highlight, and you guys know my Carly Bible palette. don't have an NYX highlighter, don't find an NYX highlighter, I'm gonna stick with this one. Just gonna take the last gold shade at the bottom and highlight. Then y'all know the drill with the nose. Then above my cupid's bow. Then you can just dab it, look up on your forehead, you know, like if you want to have that angle in the picture. Yeah. Now guys, this is the exciting part now. The lips. So my lips are going to be red, as you all can see by the thumbnail. And yes, mother, you can zoom in on the lipstick. It is yours. I don't have a red, so I'm borrowing your lipstick. Okay, so when you watch this video, you don't have to come to me and ask me. You don't have to pause the video and come to me and ask me. It's your lipstick, mother. It's yours. It's yours. Okay. All right. Right, just gonna clean off what's on my lip. The foundation plus like anything else that's on my lip. And we're going in. I'm not gonna be lining my lips because I don't think I have any red liner. I don't have any red liner. Why? Let me search. So I line it with brown. I don't know how it will look, or it's gonna look, but whatever. And we're just gonna go in with the red. So guys, I'm wondering if it should be a matte red or a glossy red. Am I gonna make it glossy? Make it glossy, bitch. Guys, you know what I look like? One of them rich auntie there. Don't talk to me. First of all, what's your name? Don't talk to me. So guys, that's it for my video. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys enjoyed this look, then you should give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new and you're not subscribed, you should also subscribe as well, because why not? Me I serve look here, no, me I serve looks. Okay, eye look is popping, the lip is popping, the hair is popping, the nails is popping, even though this isn't the same, but whatever. But you know what it is, just subscribe if you enjoy the video, and like it, comment, subscribe, share, everything, just everything. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, baby. Could not wait for this video to end, bitch.